What's up, guys? I got my Baja go-kart right here, and I got a new ignition for it since we don't have the key, and got a new switch. I turn this on and put the key in the ignition. It's like a actual car one, so it's on, right? And the key's turned. You expect the car to turn on. Then I start to crank it like a real car. Nothing happens. It has the engine there. The engine has gas and everything. I don't know what's happening with it, but I don't know if you guys help me out. I'd help out a lot. Thanks. If it was like, if you tell me whether my wiring is bad, because I have the green connected to accessory, the black connected to ignition, and the yellow connected to the battery, which I'm 100% sure that's the battery positive. Here's a little setup down here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, guys probably can't see that. Yeah, I told you what I can, so if you guys help me out, that'd be great. Thanks.